Royer finds support for this view in the discoveries of quantum physics, according to which atomic particles are less things than activities, zone of forces sustaining a given form. An atom is not a structure, but a structuring activity. And when atoms combine to form a molecule, the connecting and interacting electrons are not localizable. Modern chemists speak of molecular bonds in terms of maps of electronic density. And according to this model, in a given molecule, two regions neighboring in the map of electronic density conjointly structure one another, according to their energy of interaction and resonance. Thus, the molecule is a domain where energies interchange, where energy structures itself, where a structural state chooses itself among an essential multiplicity of possible states.
Okay.
Okay. Make sense so far?
Yep.
Okay, let's unpack this a little bit. So, quantum physics, that gets below atomic particles, subatomic particles. Okay. So we have the form of something, we have the molecules, which in turn are made up of the atomic particles, and then the quantum particles. Okay. The quantum particles help to form the atom. It's not a structure, but it's a structuring activity because the molecules are coming together, engendering the atom. Same thing for atoms coming together to engender the molecule, and the molecules coming together to engender whatever the thing is. Could be water, could be a solid, could be another element. No, take your pick. But, here's a Deleuzian term we've seen before, a multiplicity. Okay.
Right.
So a multiplicity, it is not everything coming together. It is rather like conjoining different things there. Choosing itself, in Royer's terms, is that this is how they choose. You're kind of giving agency to non-conscious particles here, coming together, possible states, where, if you remember your chemistry is that with H2O for water, if you add another oxygen atom, it becomes something different.
Yeah.
Okay. And we see this getting down to the chemical level where a certain substance is there, and maybe it attracts another molecule, an atom from some other substance that's in the neighborhood, and then it forms something else.
Mm-hmm.
So it's choosing this state, an essential multiplicity of possible states. Could be this, changes to this, the atom spins off again, then it goes back to whatever its original state was. Okay?
Is the word choosing meant to imply intentionality?
That's the tricky part. Royer seems to be imputing agency, intentionality to these molecules. It's hard to read that. Maybe it's a poor choice of words, but I think what he's trying to get here is that maybe it's not as random as one thinks they are.
Okay.